how to turn on TikTok analytics on your TikTok account. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now at the top right corner you can see these three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Over here you can find different options. Go to this option, settings and privacy. Open it. Now go to the option account. Open it. Now tap on this option, switch to business account. To turn on TikTok analytics in your TikTok account, you have to switch your TikTok account to business account. So tap on next. Tap on continue. Now here you have to choose a category. You can choose any of them that you are interested in. Here I'm gonna select beauty. And then after you are done, tap on next. Now you have to enter your email address over here. And then tap on confirm after you are done. Now here you can add something to your bio. After you are done, tap on confirm. Tap on maybe later. For now here I'm gonna tap on maybe later. Now your profile is completed. Now what you want to do is tap on this three horizontal lines again. Over here you can find this option of creator tools. Tap on it. Now here you can see this option of analytics. Just open it. In this way you can easily enable TikTok analytics on your TikTok account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment on below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.